Last week we talked all about turns, and this week we are going hand in hand and talking about our jumps. Just like we did this last week, we are going to be going over how to get ready for your jumps and things that we're able to do to prep and prepare before we get off the ground. We're going to talk about our alignment and issues that arise, and we're going to talk about the difference between our petty and grand allegros, along with some other jumps that we're able to do in like jazz and tap and things like that. Jumps are huge. They're something that we need to be able to do. We need to not have the fear of leaving the floor. And again, just like our turns, it takes a lot of work to do them technically accurate. I will see you tomorrow as we start with talking about how to get ready for those jumps. I will see you then.